Alright, so to download TeamViewer, the first thing we need to do is open up our browser. Once the browser is open, head over to Google. Now in the search bar, type in TeamViewer and hit enter. You might see a few results at the top that say ad or sponsored. Ignore those for now because those aren't the official links. What you're looking for is the one that says teamviewer.com. That's the official website. So go ahead and click on that. Once the website loads, you might get a pop-up asking to accept cookies. Just click on accept all cookies so we can move on. Now right on the home page, you'll see a big button that says free download. Click on that and it'll take you to the download section. Now in this section, scroll down a little and you'll see the option to download the full client of TeamViewer. You'll notice that there are two versions available. One is for 64-bit systems and the other is for 32-bit systems. If you're not sure whether your system is 64 or 32-bit, here's how you can check. Just go to your desktop and click on the Start menu, then choose Settings. After that, scroll down to the section called About. Once you're in there, you'll see a line that says whether your system type is 64-bit or 32-bit. As you can see here, mine is 64-bit, so I'm going to go ahead and download the 64-bit version. Once I click on it, the TeamViewer setup file starts downloading. After the download is complete, I'm just going to click on the setup file to start the installation process. It's really simple and straightforward. A window will pop up asking for the type of installation. Just leave it on default installation and click continue. Another small confirmation might show up. Just hit yes or continue again. Now just wait a few moments while TeamViewer installs on your device. Once the installation is done, you'll see a checkbox or a toggle asking if you agree with the license agreement. Make sure to check that, then click on continue. And just like that, TeamViewer has been installed successfully and is ready to use. You can now start using it to connect to other devices without any issues. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment down below letting me know if everything worked smoothly for you. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.